Me is, of course, Jeremy Jones. You must be really looking forward to this.
Yes, I am, and I think always when these two
face another American in the next round, because Tyler Steyer will be playing Cledio Cachi, and the winner of that plays the winner of this.
Difference. Oh, nice shot here, and that was definitely intended. You can see table, more events to play in, not so much pressure. Like, when am I going to get to play in another great event? And we're seeing it as well. First match in the final 64, not really much of a threat, Ralph was. Where Skyler kept
towards the finish. But then he lost to Dang Jinhu in his next match, so had to win 3 matches on the...
Really letting the stroke out there, and a clean hit on the cue. Can't say perfect.
When he came to the table, it wasn't an idea.
Well, unique situations come up a lot, and all that experience he's
had. You seem to feel that both played really well.
Yeah, they played great. I mean, Skyler blew 2. But what's his tendencies, you know, when the pressure gets on? And, yeah, I don't know if he got enough grab. Needed a little more arc. I thought it was always a little off angle, to be fair. Yeah, really nice. Got a lot out of that. And, you know, maybe promote some, you know, kind of
the place.
Oh, and that's where the stroke makes a difference. Him going through, in my opinion, no coincidence that that ball fell.
He's missed a chance here. He had a really good opportunity.
The scores are official and motion a little bit too. Feeling like he hardly ever has what I would figure. Oh, he's going to come for the corner. That's, you know, I'm a...
But it's Shane. That defeat, by the way, for Tunsky means that
that round didn't work out for us. Good to see the top 3 that did show up from the team. Shane's going to be there on the 8.
And that has helped Shane Van Boening time with him in Leicester during the Premier League, and just hear his views on everything. And
that's just kind of natural. The will to win. All right, gonna rest on the rail a little bit. Shouldn't be a problem. Looked real. That's more of it there. You know, and it's hard to put your finger on it if they don't get to the single elimination round. Just a little bit better once we get to this. There's the kiss. Medium roll, catch maybe 2 rails. Angle on the 1. He really tried to hold for the shape.
In a few weeks' time. Now Woodward is the front Van Boening already. So if he can win this match and make further progress.
Yeah, all that stuff adds up to confidence.
He'll be so far ahead that Van Boening would then have to win the European Open to have his first break and run.
This is kind of fun. Oh, really good.
Ranking events in the US. So he seems to be finding regular good form. Include then the Turning Stone Classic, a well-established and prestigious event. He was...
Oh, really good. And that's more of what I was talking about before. Let me just make ball mode, kind of. And 7 ball there, and that's going to pay dividends for missing and losing that match. You know, and I don't know the history much of this region, but I'm sure in some sporting events there's, you know, a rivalry between ports. Yeah, just like that.
It's good stuff this, and Shane Van
Good
Boening.
position on the 3 is key, and ball in hand from the and I don't know tournament and taking full advantage. You know, real underdogs in some of these matches, and obviously can play great pool as well. On the way in.
And that is 4.
When you're the title. Now you got to do it over and over. That's the real trick. So I've asked many players, hey, did you get a chance to win? See that? And their eyes just kind of like,
yeah,
just narrowly getting across. You know, Skylar at times, you know, he can get pretty speedy, as difficult as it is, and you just keep, it's more of a working kind of thing. And that's, he knew he was going to be on. It just opens up the pocket a little bit when you put a hair.
As part of USA's only World Cup win in Rotterdam, 15 years. He's 5-1 down, so that would explain why you've not seen much of him. Well, he needed that. Fellow Polish player.
I expected. The 8 was very playable. Now Shane, it's always fun.
So
Shane's just going to move this in slowly. It's going to get him a chance to get that lead, and one that I think most of Spain keep the pocket a little bit. Yeah, he could do that. Come up for the side.
Along the side, into the corner, and since then, Shane. 6-all, and now they're level again. Filler and Gangflow will be starting shortly on table 3.
You know, remaining in the event, right?
At that and thought, well, Silva's had a good run here. But
9-ball pool's a very thick kind of positioning the 8 on the side rail, cue ball on the other. For the side, and just kind of track the cue ball 2 rails, floating it back underneath. Little overhit with the cue ball, but I'm watching Yanni a little bit, and Huang, you know, you could label this in as well. Cue ball's going to get turned loose big time, though, so.
There's always an air of unpredictability.
Yeah, and SVB has lost the cue ball.
The back of that win in Romania, and Duong Hoc Wang Woodward, give him ball in hand. Can he convert that? Standout performances, Jeremy, but for me, this is as good as any match.
He got the movement, and it should spin off this 3rd rail. No, that's more of the sweet swing.
Done a lot of the hard work already. I think if he were near the top of that list, well, he's giving it a good go. He's got another one back. Well, wait no longer, because I can tell you, Yanni, who's biggest today, pulling off a wonderful recovery. It looks as though he's fallen good a win as Yanni Uski has had in his career so far.
All the way to 5-0 before Albin got on the board. And oh, look at this. Line. And he's just got to roll on this. There isn't a whole lot he can do. Oh, this guy. Oh, really nice. And we had to lose one of these Americans. That's just how the draw. See if Skylar Woodward can finish this very good performance.
Actually went out in the semi-finals. Now he wants to top it all off with a really big title.
Oh,
he's gone for the cut. And he's got the cut. Skylar Woodward to clinch a huge